Hi my friends, this is a CodeCombat enemy mine. Here is the instruction. Use argument with the move statement to move further. So we are going to move. We have the arrow here. So he's going to move. He will move up once, move right once, move down 3 times, and move right twice. So let's practice this. Arrow move up once, then move right once, then move down 3 times, then move right twice. So let's put the argument and let's try this. Okay, so the arrow is moving. We have a success message already, which means it's working. So thank you, that's it.